Your friends are leveling up, getting promotions and starting businesses, but you're still stuck watching productivity videos and making plans that go nowhere. You know what to do. You just never actually do it. I was stuck like this for 2 years. I had a notebook full of business ideas, but I kept waiting for the perfect moment. Then one day, my younger cousin launched his first product in 3 weeks while I was still researching. That hit different. So I had to figure out what was wrong. And here's what I realized. It wasn't that I was undisciplined or lazy. It was because I didn't have urgency and deadlines. Think about it. You've covered an entire subject in 1 day before an exam, the same subject your teacher spent months teaching. But you've been trying to fix your life for 3 years, and nothing's changed. Why? Because that exam had a deadline and real consequences, but your personal goals don't have any urgency and deadlines. Elon Musk said if you don't set deadlines, you'll spend your whole life getting ready, and your whole life will just pass. That's what's happening to most people right now. Endless planning, but zero execution. So, here's the system I use to actually get things done. First, pick one thing, not 10 things, because you can't fix your entire life at once. Pick one goal and set a deadline that feels way too soon. If you think something takes a month, give yourself 2 weeks. The uncomfortable timeline forces you to focus and cut out all the BS. Second, add real consequences that actually hurt. Tell a friend if you don't finish by this date, you'll pay them $300. Or post your deadline publicly so you can't quietly quit. When real money or reputation is on the line, your brain switches into survival mode. It stops overthinking and starts executing. Third, break that big deadline into daily mini deadlines. Work backwards from your final date to today and figure out what needs to happen each week. A deadline 4 weeks away doesn't create urgency, but a deadline this Friday does. Fourth, remove your backup plans. Tell people what you're doing, delete distractions before your deadline week, publicly announce your launch date. Make it impossible to delay, because when there's no escape route, you push forward. Fifth, when the deadline hits, ship it, even if it's not perfect. 80% done and launched beats 100% perfect and stuck in your head forever. Remember, done is better than perfect, and deadlines force you to actually finish. Focus on progress, not perfection. That's the system. Use it. And if you want to outgrow 90% of people, you need to become a polymath. So click on the video and watch how to become a polymath. See you in the next video.